Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, inspect the physical connection and set the monitor to the correct input. Make sure the cable is fully seated at both ends. Wiggle test to confirm. On your PC, open Display Settings or your GPU control panel and detect the second display. If the monitor shows no signal, try an alternate cable or port immediately. These quick checks eliminate common hardware and input mistakes, so you can move to resolution configuration without wasting time. Once detected, select your second display and choose its native resolution to avoid blurriness. You adjust scaling next so text and icons are readable. Higher scaling prevents tiny UI on high DPI panels. Make sure the refresh rate matches the monitor's spec, 60 Hz, 120 Hz, or 144 Hz, because mismatch can cause perceived judder. If drivers limit options, update GPU drivers, then revisit advanced display settings. This sequence corrects most resolution and clarity problems. Apply changes and test by playing a full-screen video or moving windows across displays to confirm scaling and refresh behavior. If you use multiple GPUs or a docking station, make sure the second screen is driven by the intended adapter. Change output assignment if needed. Once stable, save or note custom settings. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting step is to swap the cable and port. Often a bad cable or bad port causes resolution issues. Replace cable before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.